Welcome to the EVOLOOP installation tutorial. In this video, we'll walk you through the essential steps to install and configure your EVOLOOP. The EVOLOOP is a replacement for induction loops and photocells. It is a FMCW-based sensor designed for presence and protection detection on automatic barriers. Within the 140-degree field of view, you can configure up to 3 virtual loops independently. Depending on your needs, choose between presence loops for activation or closing and protection loops. Thanks to the wide 140-degree coverage, it offers excellent detection anticipation in 1 or 2 directions. First, prepare the tools needed for the installation of the sensor. Yes, this is all you need. No more dusty roadwork with heavy equipment. The following elements are included in the box. In addition, BEA offers a wide range of accessories for mounting the EVOLOOP if needed. Download our user-friendly and free mobile app for effortless installation, configuration, and monitoring of your EVOLOOP. Before installing the sensor, always carefully read the user's guide available on our digital platform. You can find all relevant links in the description below. Step 1. Mounting. Insert a screwdriver into the provided notch at the bottom of the product and lever it up to remove the protective cover from the mounting support. For the metallic version, unscrew the cover first. Remove the sensor from the mounting support by pushing it upwards and separating it from the product base. Always mount the sensor between 30 to 70 centimeters from the road level. When protecting from risk of collision with the barrier boom, place the sensor at a maximum distance of 50 centimeters from the boom. Apply the mounting template to position the sensor correctly. Drill an 8 mm hole for the cable and drill the other holes if you are not using self-drilling screws. You can then remove the transparent mounting template or leave it in place. Fix the mounting support on the cabinet. You can use a spirit level to make sure the sensor is straight. Use your own set of screws, making sure the screw head is not larger than the hole. Pass the cable through the hole and leave 10 centimeters of cable from the hole to the plug. Remove the sliding cover. First lower it, then place your finger behind the cover and pull to take it off. Insert the plug into the sensor socket. Use one of the provided screws to firmly fix the connector. Place the sensor on the mounting support. First insert the top, then the bottom. Make sure the cable is properly pushed in and the sensor is firmly fixed. Always ensure the sensor is positioned according to the traffic flow. Simply adjust it by lifting and rotating the sensor to the desired orientation. No accessories are required. To finish, put the sliding cover back in place. Step 2. Wiring. Connect the wires according to the wiring diagram. Loops 1, 2, and 3 correspond to outputs 1, 2, and 3. Each loop can handle a specific function: presence for activation or closing, or protection. Step 3. Connect via mobile app. Open the EVOLOOP app and connect it to the sensor. The initial password is indicated on the notice and can be personalized. During pairing, the Bluetooth LED blinks quickly and then stays solid once paired. Bluetooth remains active while connected or for 30 minutes if not connected via app. Step 4. Teach-in. Before starting the teach-in process, ensure the barrier is open, the environment is clear of any objects, and you are standing outside the detection field. No vehicles or pedestrians must pass through the area during this process. When the sensor is out of the box or if it has been reset to factory values, the orange LEDs blink and outputs are activated. Launch the teach-in via app. You can also launch it using push buttons. Please refer to the user's guide. While the sensor learns its environment, the first LED starts blinking red-green. Once the environment is learned, the boom will automatically close and reopen if the wiring and configuration allow it. Otherwise, perform this action manually. This step is essential to learn the boom movement and detect additional elements such as skirts or pendulums. Wait until the boom has stabilized. Once the boom movement teach-in is completed successfully, the EVOLOOP waits for you to indicate the length of the boom. Go and position yourself in front of the sensor at a distance equal to the boom length or the road width. During the waiting period, the green LEDs blink. Stand still until the LEDs blink red to indicate the sensor has locked your position and the process is completed successfully. A full summary of the teach-in is available via app. Step 5. Presets. Now that the EVOLOOP knows its surroundings, you can choose a virtual loop configuration that fits your needs. There are 5 different presets you can choose from. Preset 1. Factory settings with 1 activation and 1 protection loop. Preset 2. Paid parking with 1 activation loop and 1 closing loop. This configuration is ideal for the passage control feature. More info is available in the description below. Preset 3. Entry, protection and exit with activation loops on both sides and 1 protection loop. Preset 4. Protection with 1 protection loop. Preset 5. Paid parking and protection with 1 activation loop, 1 protection loop and 1 closing loop. Please note that the rotation angle varies depending on the presetting. Good to know. Loop teach-in. If desired, you can create up to 3 virtual loops individually. To do so, launch a loop teach-in. Select the loop you want to configure via app. When the green LEDs start blinking slowly, go to the center of the desired loop and stand still. Once the red LEDs are blinking, the teach-in of the loop is completed successfully. Step 6. Loop settings. If needed, switch the loop type from presence to protection or the other way around. Always push apply at the end of settings. Adapt the dimensions to your application. By default, the loop's depth is set to 1.5 meter and its width to the distance learned during the edge teach-in. The maximum dimension of a presence loop is 7 meters by 7 meters. In general, we recommend setting virtual loops slightly bigger than a traditional induction loop. On the presence loops, you can also adapt the target type, depending on whether you want to detect only vehicles or pedestrians and vehicles. If desired, add a sense of direction to fine-tune your installation. Good to know. App features. Via app, you can easily save, reuse, and share your favorite loop settings. Easily consult and share an installation report with your colleagues. In demo mode, you can get familiar with the app or prepare settings before the installation without connecting to the sensor. To finish, put the sliding cover and the protective cover back in place. Use the Torx 10 screw for added security. If desired, you can turn off the LEDs via app. Before leaving, it is important to check the installation. Good to know. Viewer. By using the viewer, you can easily verify your loop configuration, including the position of the detected targets. To finish, here is a quick recap. Mount the sensor on the cabinet. Wire it to the controller. Connect it with the app. Start a teach-in. Select your preset. Fine-tune if desired. Well done, you're ready to go now. Thanks for watching this EVOLOOP tutorial. For more detailed information, refer to the user's guide or contact our team. Don't forget to like, save and share this tutorial and subscribe to our channel for more helpful information. See you next time.